Today we talk about how can you get premium on your Relive app. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that in your app. So you just follow these ways that it's going to work with you. All you have to do in the first, you just go down, click on profile down here. Then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. You go above this sign, click on it here. So when you click on it, it's going to take you to this list. Then you click here on join Relive Plus. Then here can you get your premium in this list here if you want to add monthly or yearly here. So and then automatically when you just choose here yearly for example, it's going to show for you a list like this, and here you add your card here or redeem code or add PayPal. So that's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.